I would say that from a high level, what Envoy's really done for us is it's given us confidence in the metrics that are being generated. It's one of those things where we have it now and we kind of wonder how we got along without it before. I'm Ed Pate. I'm the Director of Facilities for Recor Medical here in Palo Alto, California. We're a medical device company, and we've just gained FDA approval for our groundbreaking device that treats hypertension using ultrasound technology. Prior to having Envoy, we would either over-order or under-order lunches because we weren't sure about how many people to expect now. The visitor experience is so much better now because with the pre-registration function, we're able to pre-register. There's no waiting when people come in here, and people appreciate that tremendously. When you see somebody walking through the office with an Envoy badge on, that means they've been vetted already. And we also have the badges that disappear after 24 hours. We just had a meeting last week with our CEO. We were able to show her that we're out of seat. We would not have gotten the okay to add more seats unless we presented those metrics to her. And so it just helps us be proactive instead of completely reactionary, which we were before. Another fantastic feature is the emergency notifications. We can basically go into Envoy, push a button, and then have everybody receive a message letting them know that you should evacuate. So, safety, security, space management, it pretty much does it all for us. If I needed a person to do these things, I would need at least one head count to do this, and then the information would not be as accurate either. Envoy has started to give us a foundation of credibility as far as adding tools and things like that, and I would recommend Envoy in a second to anybody.